Jamaica's worst gamer.
Yo. What is up, my JAMAICA'S gamer here with another reaction? Today, guys, we're here with chapter 2 of the book. We're here with chapter 2, Chippy. Teejay with chapter 2nd. So, I think Teejay's writing a book. I think Teejay's writing a book here. I guess it's the next. Well, it's Valiant. This you want Valiant to go at it. So, chapter 2, Teejay. Teejay, me have a little advice for you, bro. And you know, must take it. If you take it, you take it. If not, then it is what it is. My advice is to you is lower for the what you live stream them what you do and I explain one bag of thing, bro. Put them in your song. Lower for the live stream them, lower for the post them. You don't need to justify nothing to we as the fans. Put them in your song. When you put them in your song, that's more content for you to talk about rather than for going pan live and just talking about shit like that, bro. Like put them in your song. You see me? Lower for the post them and the live them in regards to the beef for your beef right now. You understand what I say, bro? That is my advice to you, bro. So take it or leave it. It's up to you. You understand? That is just to me. That's just the right thing to do. Anyway, sorry to interrupt your video, guys. Sorry to interrupt your video. There again with some more promotions, guys. So if you need your videos or your songs to be on the platform, you can follow me on Instagram and send me a message in my DMs. Serious inquiries only, please, if you want prices and stuff like that. And you're serious about putting the music out there as a young artist and big artist, same way, you can do that same way by linking up, you see me? Jamaica_verse_gamer on Instagram, you see me? Also, guys, if you have any party you promote and you need promotional prices, also you can link me up for that, you see me? But yeah, let's get back to the video. Let's go what I hear what you say. Let's go.
Jano, a gimmick thing. Boy, I chat man with girl on phone and sissy thing. Me just select the rifle.
Hold on. Red Bull and Guinness rhythm. Red Bull and Guinness. One of the next infamous rhythm. Delhi Ranks rhythm. Delhi Ranks, big up yourself. Delhi. Blood clot. Right? The bomber clot. That's Kelly. This bad man, you get gunshot. C'est fair. Can't tell that man the rhythm. My father was, where them I do? Where them I try? Let's go.
Jano, a gimmick thing. Boy, I chat man with girl on phone and sissy thing. Me just select the rifle like Willie Chick. Since a hero.
So, Emma address the voice note where the girl I say, grimy, killer. Let them up already you, Teejay. So, Teejay address that in a this. They must say, yo, I chat, the dog I chat. Man with girl on phone and sissy thing.
Phone and sissy thing. Me just select the rifle like Willie Chick.
Since a hero you want to be, me a go murder you and your family. Stop call up big woman name in a song, little boy with that you want war chippy.
Since as you want to be hero, you and your family, here I go on. Me go turn the whole on a zero. Me go turn in a zero. Furthermore, stop call up big woman name in a song, brother. Stop call up Sharon Burke name in a song, bro. That you do. That's what Chippy say. Valiant, man say yo, low out Sharon Burke and Mama Portia. Low them out. No, not Portia. Babsy. Sorry, Miss Babsy. Low out Miss Babsy name and low out in manager name which is Sharon Burke. Low out that.
And your family. Stop call up big woman name in a song, little boy with that you want war chippy. And you know Batman that no hard to see. Me rifle lift up, no man no ball to me. Since every man round you they go and boom me. Me have a grenade right now, me want pulley.
Bumbo clot. Since all of your friends them round here act jiggery and go on like them. Grenade for you. Grenade. Yeah, me have a grenade pin and one pull. If you got to break down the thumbnail or so we see the hat again with the same two bullet hole in the head. So the frag disappear and left the hat alone. So the hat you catch. Blood clot. Alright.
Your boss never tell you how chippy them stay. No, this a bad man from beer. Can't bat me, you back here, you the play. You a big Mickey Mac, never bust a AK.
Hold on. Ramesh never tell you. Ramesh never tell you say enough of this bad man from beer. Ramesh never tell you, oh, Mr. Remember say, I was around Ramesh camp. Them never tell you. Eh? Them never tell us I'm cheap. Eh? That is what TJ saying to Valiant, not me.
Grenade right now, me want pulley. Your boss never tell you how chippy them stay. Now this a bad man from beer. Can't bad me, you back game, you the play. You a big Mickey Mac, never bust a AK.
You can't bad me up, brother. Game you play, bro. I want this Call of Duty, brother. You can't bad me up, bro. I want to you. Not even Mac never bust a AK. What weird?
Bad man from beer. Can't bad me, you back game, you the play. You a big Mickey Mac, never bust a AK. Alone.
A big Mickey Mac. You a big Mickey Mac. Never bust. Oh. So he must say you're a big Mickey Mouse and Mac never bust a AK there. So alright.
Can't bad me, you back game, you the play. You a big Mickey Mac, never bust a AK. Alone badness stay in a me DNA. From me was a juvenile, me stay same way. Look how me sit down and a premeditate. Scrap down the rifle, I fit it up same day.
You have to know about gun, you know. You have to know about rifle for scrap it down clean and put it back up, you know. You have to know about them sitting there, you know, dog. If you don't know about them sitting there, you're novice, you know. You are a shot self, you know, dog. As such if you say, not me. And that if you say, you know. Yeah.
Me stay same way. Look how me sit down and a premeditate. Scrap down the rifle, I fit it up same day. Yeah. Come and talk about to no Richard man from 018 Teejay by land.
Richard, oh, me? Lie. Capping. You cap or you catch that you are capping, bro. You are lying. Richard and O. And from 2018 when my boss me by land. Remember my boss 2017. What you do? Richard and O. That is what Chippy said, not me.
It up same day. Come and talk about to no Richard man from 018 Teejay by land. You don't know how a boots up a little man a sing about GLE and you can't post one.
Me know how a boots you up, you know, brother. You come up sing about GLE. You talk about your noise from a GLE park. Brother, you can't buy one. Broke like board egg. Broke. You can't match up with me. That's what Chippy say, not me.
Gia by land. You don't know how a boots up a little man a sing about GLE and you can't post one. Hey boy, tell them where you get the flow from. Remember you sing over my song.
Tell them where you get the flow from. Remember say you sing over my song. I thought that well, him singing our mother the flow, Missy there.
Can't post one. Hey boy, tell them where you get the flow from. Remember you sing over my song. I thought boy, you fuck Barbie. No know about that only thing where you fuck a pretty dan. Make it right.
And never me tell you go do it. And never me send you go do it.
Me nah no luck. Me nah have nothing to say.
You can't post one. Hey boy, tell them where you get the flow from. Remember you sing over my song. I thought boy, you fuck Barbie. No know about that only thing where you fuck a pretty dan. Make it.
Continue. Like me say, me nah no luck. Me nah no luck, so me continue.
Over my song. I thought boy, you fuck Barbie. No know about that only thing where you fuck a pretty dan. Make it rifle go collector click click pow. Chippy them shut all the building down. Tell them say I am the king in town. So me lift up the Glock and me rinse it out. Somebody tell Valiant the big dan. Make it rifle go collector click click pow. Chippy them shut all the building down. Tell them say I am the king in town. So me lift up the Glock and me rinse it out. Somebody tell Valiant the big shit house. Say me kill cat and me still skin mouse.
Somebody tell Valiant the big shit house. Say me kill cat and me
rinse it out. Somebody tell Valiant the big shit house. Say me kill cat and me still skin mouse. Fire blow like dragon when it spit out. Tell them say Batman no fling big stone. Me make a place hot like lava. The chip clock a change up like transformer.
Make a place hot like make a place hot like lava. The chip clock a change up like transformer.
Stone. Me make a place hot like lava. The chip clock a change up like transformer. Me kill everybody, me no long talk. Me slick like the rhythm your teeth from Carter.
I need a bit of clarification about big word. Bombard. Too early. Clarification. Big word. I'm full of big words. Big words me. me need some sort of clarification around the rhythm there with your teeth. Like, what one that's so valiant.
Transformer, me kill everybody, me no long talker. Me slick like the rhythm your teeth from Carter. Well up on the chick a screenshot faster. Then me make you run your down like a suffer. The name with your call me little daughter. No make me brain boy like hot water.
Oh, the name where you call him my little daughter. Timoya. Oh, such a name. Big up your daughter, my G. The name where you call Valiant. Don't do that. I'm a little daughter name that, bro. Like, don't do that, bro. Don't get me kids them involved in this.
Like a suffer. The name with your call me little daughter. No make me brain boy like hot water. Oh. Nothing no nado. I'm on a conquer. Not a killer. Conquer no. Nah pussy.
Children, gather round. No retreat, no surrender.
Try to make it right for turn. Shot, swell him up like it a patty must left him body in a...
What? One next verse there? Me think I hit that, you know. One next verse, Chippy. Alright, I'm here for it. I'm here for it.
Turn. Shot, swell him up like it a patty must.
Hippopotam. Not a big word for me. We can't call already, you know. Teejay. What you do to me, dog? Shot set him up like hippopotamus. Hip hop. Big word that hold me up. Fucking big word just jet me up, dog. Hippopotamus. Yeah, left it.
Right for turn.
Left it.
Shot, swell him up like it a patty must left.
You don't say it good neither. Hippopotamus. You don't say it good. I know me alone can't say it. Move your blood clot, Chippy. Hippopotamus. Wait. I know me alone say that. I know me alone can't say that. Move. Me think I'm me alone.
Right for turn.
Shot.
Swell him up like it a patty must left.
Hippopotamus. Yo, continue.
Right for turn.
Continue.
Shot, swell him up like it a patty must left him body in a the back of the bus. Say you bad when me knife stab him up. Make boy blood leak out in a granny cup.
Wait, in a granny cup, blood a leak out? No, that.
Back of the bus, say you bad when me knife stab him up. Make boy blood leak out in a granny cup.
Boss, I get up close and personal to your Valiant, man. I use him knife and tab you up, brother. Make your blood leak out in a granny cup. Granny, don't drink it in a granny. Don't drink it.
Na the back of the bus, say you bad when me knife stab him up. Make boy blood leak out in a granny cup. A UTC, no can manage us. A ashes to ashes, give boy and the dust. Plug out your studio, nobody go sing no more song. Tell the engineer for wrap it up.
Plug out your studio. Nobody go sing no more song. Tell the engineer. Wrap it up. Alright, guys, that's it. Wrap it up. That is what TJ said, not me.
Boy, you need us. Plug out your studio, nobody go sing no more song. Tell the engineer for wrap it up. Tell them to sit down. Mind me lift me gun. No boy out a road can back strip me down. All when 100 of them and me son them a send. No boy coulda never make me run.
All when 100 of them and me son them a send. No boy can't make Chippy run. Weird.
Engineer for wrap it up.
Yeah.
Tell them to sit down. Mind me lift me gun. No boy out a road can back strip me down.
Tell them to sit down. Mind me lift me gun. No boy out a road can back Chippy down. Blood rhyming.
For wrap it up. Tell them to sit down. Mind me lift me gun. No boy out a road can back strip me down. All when 100 of them and me son them a send. No boy coulda never make me run. See them a act like a fuss them a see gun. Them not see me just murder them for fun.
Them act like a first them a see gun like gun bags, idiots, gun clowns,
Make me run. See them a act like a fuss them a see gun. Them not see me just murder them for fun. Colombian necktie me we cut the tongue. Then me burn up boy body with the rum. A dark for days. Dark is it? UTC. Yeah man. COP. Country at our place. Same way. Yes.
COP. You know you have JOP. The Jamaica our place. The man say COP country at our place. Weird.
UTC. Yeah man. COP. Country at our place. Same way. Yes that. Kingston, you know we think of Portmore, Shortboard, 4-4, 4th floor.
Lord God. Yo! Red Bull and Rhythm is back in full effect. Me like the rhythm choices. We want your anger management, we want your 12 gauge rhythm, we want your D-Rave rhythm, we want your trimmer rhythm, Yo, there's so much fucking rhythm, bro. You want your daybreak rhythm? There's so much rhythm. There's so much rhythm. Like the clash just a start. So you don't want to in the comment section and tell me about this I wanna win and this I wanna win. Make the artist them go at it, man. Who want at least 5 rounds in a dog? Who want at least 5 rounds? At least the minimum I want. 5 too. The minimum I want is 7 rounds. The minimum, brother. Yeah, 7 songs each, bro. Then we can start say, yeah, all right then. That person that lead, you know, so 7 is a uneven number. So best out of 7 rounds. Somebody have to lose. And that we I say. You see me? So we don't want to not judge the warrior and say, yo, this is it's like a throw off the artists them. It's like a throw them off. We don't want to throw them off, dog. Let them go on. You see me? And Chippy, like I said, bro, low out the whole heap of live stream them what you do. And I explain it and I explain that and I do this and I do that. Low that, bro. That not necessary, dog. That not necessary to me. In my eyes, that not necessary. I'm sure the comment section probably think different still. You see me? Yeah. But big up top cam, UTC. Valiant, big up yourself, same way. Daily Ranks, your rhythm is back, my J. Whoa! This time I'm going to leave on still. Look on the stream. If you missed the other reaction, them see them up on the stream. Alright? I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.
Jamaica's worst gamer!